announcement we all knew was coming. Rising sprint star Alana Reid officially signs multi-year deal with sportswear giants Nike. Instructively, from all indications, young Reid will continue to work with her high school coach, Corey Bennett. No, Corey Bennett is not renowned as or has a track record of coaching senior professional athletes, which is what Alana Reid is right now. Corey Bennett is still the head coach of defending girls champion school, Heidel. He also remains the head coach of many-time former boys champions Calabar, a combination of roles never attempted or conquered successfully before. So where Corey Bennett, I will get the time to fully concentrate on this major project called getting Alana Reid to the next level? Or is it that he will be playing an interim role in helping his young prodigy in this crucial transition phase of her career? Or maybe it's all strategic in keeping Alana Reid away from the crowded camps of MVP, Sprint Tech, Elite, Titans, Racers, etc., 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 etc.